So now I have created my two components. Now what I have to do, I just have to give this component access to my Redux store. And how we can give access to the store? By using the provider component which is provided by React Redux library. And this React Redux library is the official binding for React. So now we have to use provider component. So we have to install our React Redux library. I will open this new terminal. First, I will come inside this React RKT. Now I am just going to write this command npm install react-redux. Now I will open package.json. Inside this dependencies, you can see I am having React Redux. Close it. Now what I have to do, my entire top level component, I have to wrap inside provider component. Now what I will do, my entire app component, I will be wrapping inside provider component. And our app component is rendered inside this main.jsx. So this is my app component. So above this, I will be writing provider. Copy this closing provider and below this, I'm just going to paste. So this app component, I'm just going to wrap inside this provider component. So now this provider component we will be getting from React Redux. So here I will be writing provider from React Redux. But now the question is, I have only passed the provider component, but how we are going to get access to our store? We can get access to store by simply passing store as a prop. Store is equal to store. Now what I will do, below this, I'm just going to import store. Import store from, I will come inside this app folder. Then I will come inside this store.js. So this is how we are going to provide store to our entire component. And remember, whenever you are wrapping this provider component, it should be at top level of the component tree. Why? Because behind the scene, this provider component will be using context API. So that is the reason main app or the top level of app, you should be wrapping using this provider component. And after that, our entire store we are going to pass as a prop. And later, whichever component needs the data, they can request the store and in return, they are going to get the data from store.